Kajing pule naga Gospel Lukas kalanong kat pra dekot iwe haduk pra. Ujisu lakren haki kane kaparshi, baki day banduai barobor, bat bakim day bandu jingkermen. Hakaway kashnong ladon uwe unong bishar ubam shepting yauble, bat ubam kain snap yaubriu. Hakata kaju kashnong ladon ru kariu kante kabayay wan shau da kabaong. Bishar hok yenga na uba banben yenga. Slem utaw nong bishar umtre. Henry hakaba khadu ula perkhan. Wat langam tibriu tible. Henry na marba kane kariu kante kathlia yenga. Ngan pej bakan yo yela ki hok. Lem kumta da kabayay wan kan pendik yenga. Ujisu loong sanangta. Tus ngap bahaya kajing ong unong bishar bamhok. Hatu uble le hok yela ki briu ki bayam karpat ye u bat sngi batmit. Hatu ule tut banyarap iki. Nga ong happy un bishar hok iki kloy. Henry hatu ukunu briu un shem jinget haka perthe haba wan. Ka gospel jong try.
Then Jesus told his disciples a parable to show them that they should always pray and not give up. He said, in a certain town there was a judge who neither feared God nor cared what people thought. And there was a widow in that town who kept coming to him with the plea, "Grant me justice against my adversary." For some time he refused, but finally he said to himself, "Even though I don't fear God or care what people think, yet, because this widow keeps bothering me, I will see that she gets justice, so that she won't eventually come and attack me." And the Lord said, "Listen to what the unjust judge says. And will not God bring about justice for his chosen ones, who cry out to him day and night? Will he keep putting them off? I tell you, he will see that they get justice and quickly. However, when the Son of Man comes, will he find faith on the earth?"
Kajing yaro yame ko Chris.